This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Staying in your shires. I live in a little coastal area in New South Wales, and we were touched by fires and then floods, and then along came COVID. But up till 6 weeks ago, my little town was thriving. All the coffee shops, cafes and retail outlets were busy. Tradies, you couldn't find one because they're all so flat out. So it was all working along quite well. And then one or two idiots out of Sydney went west with no respect for our communities or the other people in them. And there we were with a lockdown right across parts of the state. Then you've got Palaszczuk squealing about the tourist trade. Well, we don't have to rely on tourists. Somebody's got to do every job there is. It's just scaled back. And if you stay at home and have the simple life, you might even learn to communicate inside the family and realise that it's not that bad a situation living the simple life that we're used to instead of being wired up communication junkies. And then in the last couple of weeks, when we were still thriving all right, Canberrans got locked down and massed onto our Shire. And then when we got locked down 2 days later, they massed back out because there was no Wi-Fi, no beach and no big screen. And we're all now in total lockdown. And on top of this, it's a known fact that so many of these people stayed here and actually hide their cars in backyards and just so they don't have to be in Canberra. It's total and utter disrespect, and why you just can't stay the fuck at home until this is over is beyond me. Wake the fuck up, Australia, and start respecting each other and acting like a community instead of a bunch of self-centered, entitled fucking idiots. This is Harry Vocal.